Yes, I am doing a prank on Jakira.
You didn't run away, sis. Stop talking to me.
What's up, YouTube? And that only can mean one thing. Yes, I am doing a prank on Jakira. It's been long waited, but it's coming. This is just like a little something. Y'all just gotta stay tuned for what I got in mind. I know my prank's taking along, and she been pranking me, but trust, when I prank her, feelings is gonna get hurt. So. But okay, I got it. Stop all the talking. Okay, so the prank that I'm doing on her today is I'm gonna fake like I lost her dog. Now, if you know Jakira, you should know that she loves this damn dog with his bad ass. But she loves this dog so much, and I know that when I pretend like I lost him, she might cry. She might cry. Warning, she might cry, but it's all love. It's all fun and games. But the thing is, he's not actually going to be lost. He's going to be right down the street at my sister's house. It's funny because my sister lives right down the street from where we live at. I'm about to act like I took him on a walk and walk him all the way down to my sister's house. Kylo! Look, this damn dog done running away. Kylo, you're not supposed to be running away yet. Come here. Come here. Yes, we're not running away yet. We finna run. We about to run away, okay? Let's go. Not yet. He too thirsty to go outside, y'all. Come on. Come on. Stay right here by mommy. Yeah, I didn't forget what the fuck I was saying. I'm about to take him on his walk. Take him back to my sister's house. He's gonna be down there with his sister. Y'all see his sister. But yeah, that's gonna be the prank. Fake like I lost him. He ran away on our little walk that we had. Shh. She's upstairs in the shower. So she's not even gonna know. She think I'm just taking him on a walk, but I'm finna lose your dog. Kylo, so we finna get going. Come here. Look, tell him we finna go. Hell yeah! You wanna see Fancy? His sister named Fancy, y'all. Okay, I'm doing too much talking. Let's get this prank on the roll. Let's go. It's me, babe. I'm finna leave out.
Okay, I love you.
I love you more. Say you later, Kylo.
I love you, Kylo.
Let's go. Come on, Kylo. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna let y'all know when I make it to my sister's house. Oh, I'm so nervous to do this prank, y'all. Let's go. The light up in here. Okay, y'all, so I made it to my sister's house. There go my oldest boy. There go my fourth oldest boy. No, you my second oldest boy, ain't you? Yeah, you my second oldest boy. Alright, let me show y'all what Kylo. You finna leave him here with his sister. And you finna go back to the house and tell Jakira I lost her dog. Boy, I'm so scared.
He ran off the leash.
Yeah, that's why I'm about to take the leash back with me. Kylo, he running around with his sister. This is his sister, y'all.
You should leave the leash on him like he ran away with
Kylo!
As fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck.
I'm gonna make it seem like I took
Boy, if you don't.
in the middle of our walk and he just ran away. Think that's gonna get her?
Or you should just leave the leash on him and come back home without the leash. Then she goes like with Kylo back.
Nah, I gotta make it seem like I really lost him, so I gotta bring a part of him back. Let's go see what they doing. Where they at? Hey, Fancy. Hey, Fancy. We Fancy, y'all. This is Kylo's sister. Zaya, say hey to the YouTube channel.
I look like a bum leaving.
We pranking Jakira.
What y'all doing?
Fake like I lost her dog. So I'm bringing Kylo all the way down here. I told her I was taking Kylo on a walk. And he about to be left here with y'all, and she about to think that her dog is gone.
I'm gonna start over.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna walk back home, and I'm about to let her know that I lost Kylo. I'm so scared to do this prank. She gonna kill me. But it is what it is. Bitches shouldn't play with me talking about he fine. Can you catch on to my beat and stop looking at everybody else?
He fine.
Don't play with me.
Look at him.
Who?
Him in that car right there.
Look at him.
Look at him.
Anyways, let's go. Let's go. I'm finna go, y'all. I'm finna make her go around the blocks looking for Kylo and everything. I do not know how to act. I gotta not smile and not laugh.
Some upstairs and some in the basement too.
Kylo, you playing with your sister? Some boy. I'm about to go bye-bye. He just pissing everywhere. Alright. Bye-bye. Alright, y'all. So now I'm leaving my sister's house. And let me just tell y'all why I feel like this prank will work. Can y'all hear me? Okay, whatever. So this prank gonna work because anytime I'm taking Kylo on a walk, she makes sure I got his leash and that I do not let him off the leash. And if I let him off the leash, this girl will have a heart attack. Like literally, she is sensitive to Kylo. And that's because I lost Cash like a year ago. If y'all know me, then y'all know I lost my dog, Cash, which is Kylo's sister. And yeah, ever since that day, we've been traumatized about losing Kylo. So when she found out that I lost Kylo, yeah, she gonna be so mad. I might have to go sleep at my sister's house tonight. But nah, for real though. Let's get this prank started. I gotta work on my acting skills. Hope I do not laugh, bro. If I laugh, ooh, bitch, the wind got me crying. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna run halfway to the house to make it seem like, you know, I got tired running around looking for Kylo, chasing him and every fucking thing. Alright, so I'll be back, y'all. I'm already tired. Hey, y'all, one more thing. I'm almost to the house, though. But when I walk Kylo, I usually walk him down, like, it's like a minute away from our house. This shit just hit my fucking lip. Okay, so it's like a minute away from our house. I walk him to this park, and I usually, like, you know, let him, you know, run around, be free or whatever without Jakara's permission because, you know, she knows I got him off the leash, she's gonna have a heart attack. But this the park that I usually let him run around. It's like a little school. They gotta get it though, so that's why I let him run around. I'm gonna tell her that I let him over here run around, I let him loose, let him run around, whatever, and he just hopped the fucking gate and ran away. He just ran away. That's how I'm gonna make it seem. Gee, y'all, I just ran all the way to this damn house. Bro, I'm fucking tired. But I don't even know if she's out the shower yet. So just pray for me. I'm just gonna hold the camera in. Just watch. I'm tired. Babe! Babe! Babe, I gotta tell you something. Kylo ran away. He did. I'm tired. I just tried to chase him, but he was running. Come on, we gotta go find him. Come on. You trying to stop playing? I'm not playing. What the fuck is my dog? Jakira. Where's my dog? Kylo. I just told you, he just ran away. Bro, I'm not playing. He's gone, I just told you. I'm not playing with you. Bro, what? Come on. Where the fuck is my dog? Can you come put some clothes on so you can help me find him? Babe, can you hurry up? It's not my fault he ran away. I took him over there to that park. God. Can you hurry up before he get away? He gonna be far. His hard head don't listen. I told you, every time I take him. So you mad at me? His ass probably ain't want to be here anyways. Can you hurry up? You so worried about him, but you taking all day. You taking all day. And he gonna be damn near on the southwest side. Come on. I'm not taking his ass on the walk no more. But I understand him. And I...
Look at me. Fuck on, bro.
So you mad at me because your dog ran the fuck away. Bae.
Boy, if you don't.
You're not even yelling his name.
His name.
Kylo! Kylo! Come on, babe. The way to get in is around here.
Go to that app tracking shit on your phone.
I don't know how to track him off that.
You knew how to last time we played. Fuck is y'all looking at?
We didn't track him.
Fuck is y'all looking at?
Right here. Come on.
You know I'm not playing. Why you got your phone like that?
What do you... That's not my dog no more. You're not even yelling his name. But no yelling. You lost. Kylo! Makes sense. You yelling at me like I lost him on purpose.
Where is we going?
Kylo! You must not want to find him. Come on, it's cold, babe. I'm gonna go back in the house.
Well, if you go back in the house and reach for my dog, I'm really not fucking. And I'm moving the fuck out.
And where you gonna move to?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Babe, my hands is freezing. Did nobody tell Kylo where to run away?
Then now I'm really not warming your ass up. Now be cold.
I can't believe you mad at me because Kylo has run away.
Dijana, my
Jakira!
dog is gonna run away. He know better. Fuck. And then you took him off his leash. Why would you take him off his leash?
Because he couldn't go no fucking way on this small ass
Yes, he
leash.
can. He gonna run around with that fucking leash.
Who finna run around with him? Not me.
Let him go. The leash gonna follow behind him. It's on him. So when you try to catch him and he running too fast, you can grab his shit. I keep telling your ass, don't take him off that leash, bro.
I don't think he over here.
Can you track my dog?
I don't know how to
Yes,
track
you do,
him.
bro. You gave it to the
Jakira.
landlord when we made our lease.
No, I didn't.
Can you track my dog?
I only found his number.
track
I don't know how to use it to track
Okay,
him.
just give me that far. Give me that far, and then I will get it on my lease.
You have his number. It's on our leasing. Look at your phone.
Bro, what?
It's on our lease. I had to put his tracking number on our lease. Kylo! I'm trying to help you find him.
Get away from me.
You finna sit down and your dog is running around. Kylo! Maybe he'll come to us if we just sit here.
Yo, you gotta stop talking.
Jakira, stop acting like that, bro. I didn't do nothing to you.
Stop acting like what?
Like that, you yelling at me like it's my fault that he fucking
It
ran
is your
away.
fault.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, the fucking
How is my fault?
is. It's your fault.
How? He wanted to get off his leash, so that's what I did.
Bro.
I didn't think he can get
I
outside the
keep telling
gate.
you, bro. Don't let my dog off the leash.
I didn't think he can get
He
outside the
already
gate.
crackhead as fuck. He gonna run faster than you think you could run.
Cool, I'll be following.
But you didn't.
Are you looking for his number?
Stop talking to me, bro. Don't ask me shit. You could go in the house.
Okay,
Bye.
I will. I'm gonna go to the house.
Bye. Fuck is you still sitting there for?
Why would I just let you be out here by yourself?
Vijana! I don't want to hear it.
It's cold. It's probably freezing. This same shit happened with Cash. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Why would you lose my dog?
You crying? I'm sorry. I didn't try to. Babe.
Why would you lose my dog?
Babe, I didn't mean to. He ran away. He probably didn't want to be
He
here.
didn't run away, sis. Stop talking to me.
Babe. 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 Come here. Why you hurting? Let them see your face. It's just a Come here.
Where's my dog? Where's my dog?
Come here, let me see you first. Show me first. Tell me what you looking like. You was a crybaby. You really was gonna pick that damn dog over me?
Yes, where's my dog?
Really? This girl done hopped out her shower and every fucking thing.
Where's my dog?
Gee, you probably gonna get pneumonia. Come on, let's go get him.
Where he at?
He at my sister's house.
Why would you? Bro, I swear to God, I'm not.
I got you. I got you. You just scratched me. Look, y'all, she just scratched me. Now you want to be nice to me. Because your damn dog ran away.
When it comes to my son, I'm not gonna play with it. No. That should make you walk down there and get him yourself.
Can you tell him how you feel? Turn in the sun so you get the good light. How you
Bro,
feel?
I look like hype off the night.
She was just crying.
That's not funny.
Dang, you was crying. You really was that sad? Come here. Oh, why you trying to walk away from me?
Stop! Cause I got everything for you, bro. You bogus as hell. Like, why would you do that?
Cause Kylo ran away.
No, he did not.
Yes, he did.
Oh, I swear to God. I'm glad it's a prank.
You thought he was going for real?
Yeah.
Oh, poor baby got out the tub with her dog. You gonna look at me like that? You thought that was Kylo? You thought that was Kylo? Yeah, I finally got you. I'm finna go take her to go get this damn dog, y'all. Her crybaby ass. Let's go get our son. Y'all, I finally got her. And this not even one of the pranks that I wanted to do. This is just a quick little one, too.
Oh my
Just
God,
wait for the prank that's coming.
bogus.
You want to play until that boy was fine, right? Right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to play with where it hurts words. I'm going to play with your dog. And I knew you was going to be mad. And I said it was going to work because you don't like me taking him off the leash. When I take him for a walk, why are you trying to have from the camera? These are our peoples. These is our peoples.
They're looking like Houdini.
Let's go to the green light. You can't stand me. Babe, you happy that it's a prank? I love you. You know I would never lose Kylo, especially after what happened with Cash. No, I cannot lose Kylo, even though I do let him off the leash sometimes. What? I do. He likes being off the leash.
Y'all please
But
don't
I
let
make
him
sure. But Kylo not even.
shower.
Kylo would not run away. Kylo is the dog that would not run away. He will come back if you tell him to.
I was in the bath listening to Summerella and Riley and you know all of them. Summer Walker, all of them.
She
That's
was
the
in the
shower.
shower singing every fucking thing.
And I'm getting back in.
You gonna get pneumonia. Don't get pneumonia. You can't get back in there. You gonna get pneumonia, babe.
Okay. I'm gonna get back in that hour.
Okay. I stressed you out.
Yeah.
Sorry. Can I get a kiss? I thought you were gonna kiss me because you don't even got Kylo yet. How you know if I didn't lose him for real?
Don't play.
She finna see her dog, y'all. You is a fucking crybaby. That don't make no sense. You waiting for your dog?
Jakari. Nigga, you was standing on this prank.
Where Kylo? Where's Kylo?
Marjorie never let him back outside.
Where they at? What fancy in Kylo?
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know? Well, y'all better stop playing for real. Where they at? They was outside when I let them out.
Return my dog.
Come on, he might be outside. Come on. Kylo!
Damn, bathroom was Zaya.
They in the bathroom.
You told her?
What color?